Myself is Ashish Ranjan Chattopadhyay. I am at present in the family of West Bengal Chemical Industries Limited, Kolkata. It is one of the oldest company in West Bengal. We are manufacturing all kind of bulk pharmaceutical chemicals and poultry chemicals, because at present the Western country they are not looking for the antibiotics, but in case of poultry and the live animal or whatever is taken by the human, they are not apprising to use any kind of antibiotic growth promoters, but in poultry it is discriminately used, and we are in opposed to that. So we are manufacturing all kinds of acid salts, whichever it is against the antibiotic growth promoter. It is non-antibiotic growth promoter. We are making all kind of acid salts, mixed feed acidifier as well as gut acidifier. And we have recently developed the inorganic trace minerals into the organic form. That is the glycine chelation. Glycine chelated trace minerals is very much absorbable and very much acceptable to the poultry body and the bird's body, because it is already in amino acid bonded and it is easily digestible by the poultry body. We are getting success in India as well as the western part of our country and out of the countries, and we are at present manufacturing all kinds of products and getting success. We are providing poultry industry sodium butyrate, that is in plain form and in coated form. Coated is 30% and 90%. Branded name is Florac 90% and Florac 30%. We are providing Orimix. Our appeal is to poultry industry, sir, my brother, my colleagues, please try to avoid the use of antibiotics in your poultry, because it is slowly but steadily decreasing the resistance of the human body. It is a double contamination, it is a cross contamination of the antibiotics. So please look out, please look favor of the acidifiers and others the substitute of antibiotics. Thank you.